Hi everyone, I'm Pahi Sarmah and welcome to my vlog. So I guess many of you have like acne pore skin and you're irritated and you're agitated and you're annoyed with your skin and you really want like a great clear skin. So I have been going through like acne problems and it is really annoying. So today I have with me is matcha tea. So matcha is one of the best things that I have discovered and I've started drinking matcha tea. So matcha tea is 10 times more effective than green tea because everybody knows that when you're drinking green tea you end up losing weight. So matcha tea, if you have it, so it's 10 times more powerful. So yeah, really good. And also matcha tea is packed with antioxidants. That's why the acne scars, if you have acne scars, it will help you remove it. It detoxifies effectively and naturally. Matcha tea calms the mind and de-stresses the body. It detoxifies the body. It is rich in fiber, chlorophyll and vitamins. Enhances mood and aids concentration. Wow, so much in just one thing. That's matcha. Besides vitamin C, selenium, chromium, zinc and magnesium. It prevents diseases, it enhances mood and aids concentration. Wow, so much in just one thing. That's matcha. It provides vitamin C, selenium, chromium, zinc and magnesium. It prevents diseases, it lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. So much in one thing that is called matcha tea. And do you know what matcha tea looks like? Obviously it's green in color. So this is what matcha tea looks like. Just like my hair color. But it's more vibrant, I guess. I have honey with me. It is effective. I have tried it on my skin and the review is perfect. So matcha tea, and this is honey here. This is pure honey with me. And honey also contains antioxidants. It moisturizes the skin, start healing. That's what honey does, like Cleopatra days. So that time honey was used to moisturize the body, to heal the skin, and also if you have fever. So honey is a great healer. It has magical powers. And I have saffron with me. So this is pure saffron here with me. It's all the way from Spain, which my mother went and then she got it for me, and it's so nice. I think it's a beautiful gift because saffron is hand-picked. If you drink it with milk, they say that it's really good for your health. So I'm gonna use it on my face, just like tad bit of saffron. It's always better to use a glass bowl because then it will not react to any of it. Little bit of matcha tea. I'm going to add honey to it. Can you see it? So yeah, a bit of... it smells really good. It's really difficult. So this is what my thing looks like. And now with a brush, I'm going to mix it. I am going to apply the matcha tea on my face. I have applied makeup and I stayed throughout the whole day. So this is how. And it smells like henna, herbal henna. But now I'm so used to the smell. And I'm using the camera screen as my mirror. So I have acne all over my face. I look like a ninja warrior. Okay, so this is how I apply it on my face throughout. And I'm applying it with a brush. You can apply it with your fingers also. No big issues. And very gently near your eye area, and near your eye area you can apply cucumber and listen to some great music. I'm going to tell you exactly what saffron does, and everybody knows that it holds great health benefit. So it helps us fight acne, has inflammatory qualities, makes you brighter, have glowing skin. It pigmentation, ladies, and also it treats scars. It has potassium, it repairs the cells, so it helps you heal that area where your bacteria is there. And it has a lot of vitamins. That's about it with saffron. And now I keep this pack for like, I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes. So I have put my timer. And I get some really healthy glowing skin. Definitely try it on your skin if you have like a non-clear skin, like if you're really suffering through acne, because I know what it feels like when you really go through acne problems. And you know, those cystic acne, it's not about just applying on your face, it's about drinking the matcha tea also. You start drinking the matcha tea, you will see like greater benefits, because when I drink matcha tea, my body just starts activating. Like, you know, when you drink coffee, what happens to your body? Exactly the same thing happens with matcha tea, and I start sweating and I start really working, I get activated. So if you really like this vlog, do subscribe for more videos like this. Until then, later, bye.